My car is finally packed. I am ready to go to Superflex and set up a drone flying simulator and have a bunch of drones on display. So this should be fun. Now time to go. Yep.
Audience to showcase too.
At Simpler Reflections for Youth, I've got my booth pretty much set up. Got a bunch of drones here. Got a TV with some drone footage. Got my control here. Flying the simulator if we so choose. And we've got performances happening on stage over here. Literally powering my thermal cooler with a drone charger to up the voltage because this power supply only supplies 12 volts and this thing wanting voltage from a car is expecting 13. So I'm literally boosting the voltage with this drone charger. Oh, out of range. Oh, you're just going high roller. You're just like, yeah, let's ditch this stadium. There we go. So it's a bit of a balance between the different sticks to get the movements, because the more you go forward, the more you have to kind of combine the sticks to get a nice level flight. Just mashing random buttons and clicking random cookies. Look at all the random logs I have here from hitting the log switch. Pretty good first event. Just packing everything up now. Whew. Kids liked it. Looks like I'm going to be back here tomorrow to set this up again. It's time to finish off the day with an hour or two of street sets. Here it is. Got a dog dancing.